Oh hi, Kaways to Wonder. So we just finished our lunch at Jollibee, and now we're heading to the legislative building. So what are we waiting for? Let's rock and roll.
Let's get started. Drive safely.
Mukhang pagod na tong mga bisita ko dito, yung mga VIP ko dito sa likod. Let's say hi. Alright,
thumbs up para sa mga drivers.
So now let's go. Okay, see you in a bit, guys. We're approaching the Wascana Center. So mga Kaways to Wonder, I think we missed our turn, so we need to do some rerouting. So we should be on that side of the road, but we're going straight ahead, and we're just gonna do a look around, I guess. Yeah. And now instead of 1.8 kilometers, we'll take the other route. Will take us 3.1 kilometers from here now, so approximately 7 minutes from now. Okay, so we have magagandang park. So this is park, I think this is Wascana Park, what they call. Okay, so we're approaching the Wascana Drive now. Okay, mga Kaways to Wonder, Wascana Center. So I think this vicinity is Wascana Center, yun yata ang tawag nila. So basically we're not from here, so we're not familiar, but again we're just trying to take some videos to around this city, so you guys can see kung ano man ang mayroon dito. So kaway mga Kaways to Wonder. Okay, dito kami sa sasakyan. And my two VIPs out there. There you go. Say hi, guys. Are you guys sleeping now?
Sleeping now.
Sleeping. See? Yung driver namin sabog yata. Sabog sa pusog. Okay? So I think this is downtown. Now we're entering the downtown na, diba? Yeah. This is their Broadway area. Yeah, you can see naman, too many buildings na all around, and then yeah, we go from there, I guess. Hey guys, sana hopefully meron tayong mahanap na good spot or good parking spot, no? So guys, ito na. This is the legislative building. Okay, I think this is the front side.
Destination is on your
Okay,
right.
first we just need to find a good parking spot, yung hindi ganong kalayuan.
Mahirap po mag-park. Mga bata kami.
Yeah, so oh boy.
Except
There's parking.
pero dahil nakaharang sila, hindi kami makapark.
Okay guys, cut ko muna. Cut ko muna for the meantime kasi I need to park. Hindi po kami makapag-park kasi mayroong mga tourists. May mga tourists doon, and we can't go park.
Sila. Ay, magpapark kami.
Magpapark kami, may ignorante.
Okay guys, we're in front of the legislative building now. At itinuturo ko yung mga kapatid ko na ngayon lang sumama. Kung sana noon pa nakasama na sila sa mga ride ko, di ang ganda, no? Right from all around Canada and then United States. Kaso ngayon lang sila sumama. So that's my second brother there, no? It's my third brother and my Yasmi and of course ako. So guys, ang ganda ng panahon pag hindi winter. Napakaganda ng mga punong kahoy, no? Napaka-green. See, yung mga bulaklak nag-start na silang ano. Diba? So guys, ito. So, ang mga tao ngayon nag-start nang magsilabasan. Right? The picture, yung dalawang magkapatid doon, no? Diba? Alright, so ano to? The Queen's Visit. In May, Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip, Duke of Mecklenburg, spent 4 days celebrating Saskatchewan Centennial in Regina, Lumsden, and Saskatoon. Okay. In Regina, she visited the First Nations University of Canada, unveiled the Northern Tradition in Transition mural above the Legislative Building. Okay. So it's Queen Elizabeth, no? Yun lang, hindi ko alam kung anong date. Wala akong nakita dito kung kailan. But I think this, ano to, the Queen's Visit, 2005. Year 2005, no? So guys, ikot-ikot tayo. Anwar, so ano sa tingin mo? You wanna move here? Really? Oh, yung dalawa, oh, game na game sila, yung dalawa.
Okay.
So doon kami.
Mas malayo.
Maganda doon, alam nyo, ano yan, napakaganda dyan, lalo pag hapon, fresh na fresh yung hangin. Fresh ko yung hangin. So anong meron doon? Ang daming tao.
Baka kasal.
May kasal, may wedding. Yeah.
Parang may bangko.
So dito daw ikakasal si Anwar. Alright. Oh, so may garden wedding doon.
Pwede pa na magkasal.
Oo, pwede magpasal ka. So anong tawag dito sa ano na yan? Ano ba yan? River, lake?
Lake.
Ganda. Ganda yan. Sana meron din tayong ganyan. Meron naman tayo.
Mas maganda dito.
Maganda yung ano din natin doon, yung Spadina River natin, no?
Mas maganda naman.
Sa Saskatoon. Okay?
Parang mas makaba to.
Yeah, we have a longer river.
Dito mas firm dito maganda.
Yeah, cause malapit na mag-summer eh. So,
Maganda lang yung urban.
yeah, yung urban area, ganda. Okay guys, picture daw kayo doon. Ako, dami na ako pictures dito.
Ako din, pero
Okay guys, cut ko muna to. Kasama lang ako sa picture ng dalawa.
Okay, ito na sila. Lakad kami dito sa river, Wascana River yata to.
So pakainin namin yan, wala yung alaga namin.
Yung mga gansa dito, libre lang silang nakakapaggala sa Pilipinas na fried duck na sila. Dito, libre lang silang naggagala. Ayan. Gala-gala sila. Ayan yung mga duck.
Susi natin na sa'yo.
Okay. Ayan po. Hello? How are you? Naglalabas ka ba ngayon ng itlog? So, parami kayo? So,
Okay, mga ka-ways to wonder, no? We just finished walking around the Wascana Lake and in front of the legislative building. Now we're heading to the Cornwall. What? What's that?
Cornwall?
Cornwall
Mall?
Cornwall Mall.
Yeah, Cornwall Mall.
Center.
Cornwall Center.
Cornwall
Regina.
Center, Regina. So we're going there maybe to have some refreshment like milk tea or whatever we can find there, no? So
Ice cream.
yeah, yung kapatid ko, my brother is just laughing at me, no? He make tawa-tawa at me. So yun nga, kami kasi mainit na talaga eh. So I don't think, buti na lang may hangin ng konti, no? It's a bit windy pero mainit na.
Drive safely.
So we need
In
something
200
na
Turn
makapag-refresh
right
sa
on
amin.
Albert Street.
Ang init. So naka-full na yung aircon pero naiinitan pa rin ako. Weather. Pero tayo sanay naman sa init kasi syempre galing tayo ng Pilipinas. No? So ayun. So see you in there. Hanap kami kung ano pwede naming mapag-food tripan.
Turn right.
Snack lang kasi like 2 hours ago kakakain lang namin sa Jollibee nga, diba? So I think today wala kaming gagawin kundi mag-drive, gumala at kumain kasi parang first time yung dalawa dito sa likod ko, no, na mag-off ng 1 day kasi napakasipag ng mga to. They're both student but they're also working, so working student, no? Ganun nga. So, Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Bebe. Wow. Ganda ng building na to. Diba? So guys, nandito kami sa vicinity ng downtown Regina. Okay guys, ganda ng downtown din nila. Okay din. So dito kami ngayon. Okay guys, we're going to Cornwall Mall. So guys, maganda yung ano dito. So dito sa side by side mo, I can see different establishment. May mga restaurant, may mga bookstore, may mga travel office, and then mga to different type of stores, no. So this building naman, William Wilbur and Duncan. Okay, sounds like my middle name. Okay, so Verboroughs. Okay, so under construction, no. So dun sa harapan ng mall, under construction. Pero napakaganda niya sana. Okay, isang building, ganda, right?